welcome to today's video. I'm gonna admit, got a little trigger happy on the injector project. Started going on it and didn't do much filming. So car's kind of torn down. Been having a heck of a time trying to find correct injectors. In the last video you seen that we got some injectors from a buddy of mine. What I failed to do is see how many there were. I'm gonna pull one out of the intake here. So they were Ford injectors. They came out of his Volkswagen project. They're brand new. They had Volkswagen adapters on them, as you guys seen, Volkswagen adapters. But these are Ford injectors with Ford connectors, right? There's only 4 of them. Man, I got these injectors days ago, and guess what? I got the intake torn off, fuel rail off, everything's ready to go with the wrong injectors. Yeah, so like I said, a bit of a debacle. Trying to think of where I put the stock injectors. So these bigger injectors, they're shorter, right? So I modified the fuel rail a little bit to sit lower, to take up that extra space. I don't know if it's going to work yet. I need 6 injectors, not 4. So moving along. There's also been a bit of an issue with the tuner. I don't know if I'm going to continue with them or not. I'm not really liking the way he's going about things. I don't know, just seems kind of weird. So yeah, that's just gonna keep it there for now. So I'm gonna flip you guys around. Intake's off, and it just kind of like stuck until I figure out injectors. I went ahead and ordered, let's see, 2 more of these guys. So let's see if I can get a clear shot. That top number is the Bosch number, and then bam. So these are like 2013, 2014 GT500 52-pound injectors. That should be plenty of fuel for this, as long as I get 6. So 2 more on the way. It's gonna be like 10 days out. So 10 days out from now. This video is probably, yeah, it's gonna be like a couple days out from when this video goes. So if you haven't removed one of these intake manifolds, super easy. It's literally like boom, 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 couple of these bolts, and then obviously like throttle body, this, few connectors, cable. Yeah, pull that out of the valve cover. And I left that on because I didn't have a deep socket for this guy here, so I just left that on. And make sure to cover that up. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, as of right now I'm kind of stuck. I'm on Amazon time waiting for these injectors. So once they do come in, install them, and then take it to the tuner, see if he'll tune it. He's really finicky about only using Ford racing product injectors, or like name brand, which is, I understand, but I told him these were Fomoco injectors, and he was like, no, we need genuine, buy my stuff. And I was like, he wanted a lot of money for his injectors, so I'm on that budget mindset, you know. All right, well, yeah, enough rambling. I'll update when the injectors come. Um, yeah, it'll probably be the next segment. So here we go. All right, well, my other injectors came. Um, Big thank you to 50 Motorsports. Um, they were on Amazon, cheapest I could find. I was okay with waiting. It said it was like a 10-day wait, but they came in like 3 days, so that was super awesome. So sun's going down quick. I'm gonna try and throw these injectors in and throw this manifold on. Probably won't start it tonight, but maybe tomorrow. So just moving along. Here we go. Well, it's been a couple days. I don't even know what to say with this Mustang. I'll just show you. I tried to get these GT500 injectors to work, but they're short, right? Normally they go on a supercharged application. Injector height is smaller. I modified the fuel rail a little bit to see if I can get it to work, and it didn't work. So I bought injector spacers or extenders, whatever you want to call them, but it's stuck again. So that's that. Normally I try and upload at least once a week, but these last few weeks I've just been like waiting on parts. So yeah, I know there wasn't a lot of great activity in this video. I apologize, you guys, but I wanted to at least bring you something. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm just gonna end it here for now. Injector spacers are probably gonna be, I don't know, a couple more days. I'll get those in, get it running, and hopefully tuned. So that's what everybody's waiting for, I know. So all right, thanks for sticking with me. See you in the next one.